Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see like operator. First of all, what is the like operator? It's used in the where class to search the specific pattern in the column. Basically, what it's saying is, so you want to search any specific pattern. So then you can use like operator. So to define the such pattern, you can have a two wildcard characters. The first one is percentage, second one is underscore. What is the use of percentage? You can search multiple character, then you can use percentage. If you want to search single character, then you can use underscore. So let's see the example. So the requirement is you need to search the first name who have end with a. So that's a requirement. To filter the records, you have to specify the where condition. So in this where condition, which column you want to filter that? It's a first name. So then what is the condition? So we are going to do, so we are going to search that pattern. Then we have to use like. In the like, after like, you have to specify the pattern in the double quote. So basically, what's the requirement? So the first name should end with a. So before a, we can have multiple characters. So you can, that's a requirement. So then you can use percentage a. If you run this query, so you will get that result as per our requirement. So now that requirement is, you can have any character before a, or multiple character, or will not have any character itself. And you, in after a, you can have multiple character, or will not have any character itself. That's a requirement. So you need to filter that records, then you have to specify percentage a, percentage. So because we are searching multiple characters, so that's the reason we are using percentage a and percentage. So we got the result as per our requirement. Now the requirement is, so the one character, so you can search any. So in the first one is any character, so it should be on, but it should be single character. It may be a b c d, but it should end with ob. So before ob, it should have only single character, and that single character can be any character. So that's a requirement. So if you use underscore ob, so we got the result as per our requirement. So let's go to the today challenge. If you go to the employee table, so the now requirement is, the first name should end with e. So before e, we can have any character and multiple character as well. So and it should not, it should end with e. So that's a requirement. So please write that answer in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.